I'm Alice, and welcome to Korean Ladder, the radio lesson where real Korean gets less scary.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 오늘은 짧지만 진짜 많이 쓰는 반응 소리를 배워요.
안녕하세요, 준호입니다. 짧은 소리도 상황에 맞게 쓰면 아주 자연스러워요.
I know, 아이고, but in dramas I keep hearing AC, 아유, and oh. Are these all just Korean for ugh?
좋은 질문이에요. They overlap, but they do not feel the same.
Today's goal is safety. You will recognize them in real speech and use them without sounding angry at someone.
오늘의 패턴은 감탄사예요. In English, interjections are little reaction words like oh no, ugh, or oof.
So they're not full sentences. They're like emotional buttons before the sentence.
맞아요. First, AC. It is a small burst of annoyance, but it can sound sharp because it is close to stronger bad language.
AC is often for yourself, like when the charger does not work. Avoid aiming it at a person.
If I say AC right after someone makes a mistake, it might sound like I am blaming them.
Exactly. Next, 아유. It is softer. It can show worry, pity, tiredness, or gentle frustration.
아유 is useful because it can be warm. In English, it can feel like oh no, or oh dear, depending on your voice.
아유 feels safer when another person is involved.
Third, oh. This is often a body reaction. Cold, hot, gross, strong smell, surprise, or sudden discomfort.
Oh is casual and very real. You might say, oh, 매워 when food is spicy, or oh, 추워 when the air is cold.
So, AC is annoyance. 아유 can be soft concern and oh is often a body reaction.
Let's show 3 natural examples. Listen for the feeling first, not a perfect English translation.
에이씨, 버스 놓쳤네.
This is annoyance at the situation. It is casual, and it is not for a formal meeting.
아유, 많이 아파요?
Here, 아유 is caring. It softens the question.
어우, 냄새가 강해요.
This is a reaction to a strong sensation, not necessarily anger.
I notice none of these are polite by themselves. The sentence after them carries a lot of the register.
맞아요. 아유, 괜찮으세요 is polite because 괜찮으세요 is polite and honorific.
But A씨, 뭐예요? Can sound annoyed at the listener. The words are polite, but the feeling is not safe.
So polite endings do not magically fix a sharp interjection.
이제 작은 대화를 들어보세요. A tiny office moment with a soft and safe reaction. 아유, 커피 쏟았어요.
네, 조금 쏟았어요.
괜찮으세요? 휴지 드릴게요.
감사해요. 다행히 괜찮아요. Notice Hannah did not say A씨. In a workplace spill, that could sound like blame.
And she used 괜찮으세요 because she is checking on the other person politely.
완벽해요. If you are not close, 괜찮으세요 is safer than 괜찮아요 when asking about the other person.
Now repeat after me. First, 아유, 괜찮으세요?
아유, 괜찮으세요?
좋아요. Keep it gentle. 아유, should not sound dramatic here.
Next, oh, 추워. This is casual, like talking to yourself or to a friend.
어우, 추워.
좋아요. Very natural. 어우, 추워 is casual, so use it with friends or to yourself.
Last, 에이씨, 또 안 돼. Say it like the problem is the machine, not a person.
AC, 또 안 돼.
괜찮아요. But for learners, use AC rarely. Recognition is more important than production.
Common mistake time. I spill something near a coworker's laptop and say, AC, that sounds bad, right?
Right. If you caused the problem, say 죄송해요 first. Then fix it or check the situation.
맞아요. And in polite Korean, you can skip the interjection. If you caused the problem, say 죄송해요 first. If you are checking on the other person, say 괜찮으세요 or 괜찮아요.
The safe map is simple. With friends, you can be more casual. At work, be more careful.
Quiz. A not close coworker spills coffee near your laptop. What is the safest first reaction?
정답은 B예요. 아유, 괜찮으세요 is soft and checks the person first.
It sounds like frustration aimed at the coworker. Avoid A씨 when the frustration points directly at someone, especially in a polite setting.
C. Oh, 어떡해요 is possible in some moments, but it can sound more alarmed. B is the safest because it checks the person politely.
이제 핵심 정리예요. A씨는 짜증이 나는 소리예요. In English, it is a mild annoyed sound, but it can feel sharp.
아유는 더 부드럽고 걱정하는 느낌을 줄 수 있어요. In English, 아유 can be oh no, or oh dear, with a caring tone.
어우는 춥다, 맵다, 냄새가 강하다 같은 몸의 반응에 잘 어울려요. In English, it is often oof or ho from a sensation.
친구와는 편하게, 직장에서는 조심스럽게 써요. In English, be casual with friends, but choose softer, polite reactions at work.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 아유, 괜찮으세요? It is soft, polite, and useful.
다음에는 놀람과 감탄을 더 자연스럽게 말하는 소리를 배워요. 오늘도 잘했어요.
Thanks for climbing with us. I'm Alice, and this was Korean Ladder.